Welcome back to another video of Caden Weather. Coming up in today's video, we're talking about what we could expect next week. Now, if you don't already know, we had a tornado outbreak. Not just a severe weather outbreak, but a major tornado outbreak that will be remembered for a long time. A high risk, I'm not just saying out of words, that's like the actual risk. Above moderate risk is a high risk for severe weather, got issued on Wednesday. That is a very high risk. Again, it's a high risk. So lots of storms, lots of tornadoes. We had tons of tornado warnings got issued. Thankfully, we're not going to be seeing nearly as bad as what just happened this week. But we could be seeing storms, rainfall, and snowfall chances. Yes, storms and snowfall in the United States next week or this week. So we're going to be going over that. So I'm going to be showing you temperatures, rainfall, storms, and snowfall chances all next week in depth. So you're not going to want to miss out on today's video of Caden Weather. But without further ado, let's get straight into it. We do start off with our current temperatures right now on Sunday. Again, we're seeing 60s as the warmest, 83 in Arizona. That's pretty hot. But let's start off with the eastern United States. So I'm not going to go nation by or like area by area. So I'm just going to go to the warmest and coldest spots, and then you can find your location. So the warmest spot I see is like this Arizona area, so 83 degrees Fahrenheit in Arizona, and the coldest spot probably up here in Idaho. I'm seeing up to 26 degrees Fahrenheit. So again, those are the warmest and coldest spots right now, but again, this is giving an example of what I'm showing you. So find your location on this map. That's your temperature. Let's go ahead and go look at our high temperature for Monday. Alright, here, as you can see, obviously the warmest parts are down here in Texas and the southern states. We're seeing up to 81 degrees down here in Texas. That's pretty hot for March. But again, they're even down here, that's hotter than the southern part of Florida. Look at this, 77 degrees in southern Florida, yet we're seeing 83 degrees in southern Texas. So again, very hot temperatures, obviously the most hottest part, but we're also going to be seeing this very hot widespread layer of warm temperatures stretching from Maine all the way to the southern states like Louisiana and surrounding area. We're seeing 60s, even look 62 degrees for the high in Maine on Monday. So very hot temperatures for this area circled on your screen right now. Very hot temperatures. Switching sides of the United States, there's like a line right here that splits warm and cold. We're seeing very cold temperatures, like not super cold. We've definitely seen colder, but pretty cold compared to the other side. We're seeing 30s, 20s, 20 degrees. So again, not super cold for this area, but still pretty cold temperatures. So again, find your location on here. That's your high for Monday. Let's go ahead and go into Tuesday. I don't want to spend too much time on this, so let's go ahead and go into Tuesday. Here's your high temperatures. Again, not much changes. Again, we're seeing even colder, 12 degrees here in Wyoming. So again, still very cold temperatures. Looks like the warmness we just saw in the eastern United States is kind of starting to go away in just some little areas here, just some little what should I say, rural areas, or maybe even populated areas, but just some little polka dots of it starting to go away. But then it cranks up in the south, 84 degrees for Brownsville, Texas. That's very warm. And then again, and then it goes even colder, so it's like getting warmer and then colder. So we go to 16 degrees and then compared to 85 degrees. That's a big difference, isn't it? Find your location. Here's high for Tuesday. Let's go ahead and go into Monday. I think nothing's really going to change on Wednesday. Yeah, nothing really changes. Thursday, it just gets even hotter, 89 degrees in Brownsville, Texas. That is just crazy hot. For March at least. Let's go into Friday again. It gets even warmer for the south. And then that's about the temperatures for the week. Now, let's go ahead and look at our future models. Probably what you wanted to watch in this video. Now we're going to be talking about what we could be seeing the rest of the week in terms of rainfall, snowfall, etc. So let's start on Monday. So again, we're looking at Monday afternoon. We kind of see this band of rain starting to form out in Oklahoma. We're looking at about maybe noon here, or maybe even dinner time, noon to dinner time, around that time. So again, not exact timing here on this type of model, but just giving you an idea, from noon to about dinner time, somewhere around that. We're starting to see this band of rain starting to form here in Oklahoma and Kansas area. Again, not a whole lot, definitely not severe or anything, but just seeing some, I don't even think there will be any lightning strikes with this, but just seeing some rain starting to form there. and that will continue overnight through the night Monday, and then Tuesday that already moves out of the area, and then it starts to turn a little bit with lightning strikes. Still, I wouldn't call it that much severe, maybe severe here and there, but really just some storms is all I would call it. Moving in through the Arkansas and Louisiana areas, Arkansas and Louisiana area. I mixed Louisiana and area. But let's time this out even further. Again, that's a low pressure system. Then we start to see these storms, and these could be severe. A low pressure system forms in the south near the Texas area, and by Thursday, so let's look at Wednesday. I just skipped a whole Wednesday here, and Wednesday and Tuesday. So Tuesday, again, that the rain moves into the Louisiana area. Wednesday, we're seeing some snowfall in New Mexico, maybe some snowfall in Washington, but otherwise a pretty quiet day. Maybe some scattered storms starting to form here in the south, but really quiet day. But then, talking about the south, we go into Thursday. Again, we're starting to see the storm starting to fire up here. Again, these are pretty... I don't even know how to explain these storms. They're like very detailed. They're like very certain locations. So, but it is in one location. So it starts in like southern Oklahoma and goes all the way to Alabama. So again, storms starting to form here. Again, nothing too crazy. No tornadoes or anything. But again, just be prepared for some storms. Then the storms continue as it goes up to the Illinois area. And then here's where the snow comes in. So again, that same low pressure system that caused all those storms I was just talking about by Friday is moving up into the Wisconsin area, Illinois area, Iowa area, bringing snow. That's right, snow. So let's look at Iowa, for example. So it's moving into Iowa. The southern tip of Iowa is starting to get some storms. We time this out even further. As it moves into the more central Iowa, it gets so north and it gets so cold that it turns into snow and sleet. So again, yes, we're talking about snow in March, and that's not even in that much of a northern area. It's northern, but again, not usually that much snow in this area. But again, seeing some sleet there. Just an example in Iowa. And we're seeing that spreading out. That example I just gave in Iowa, we're seeing that going to Wisconsin, Michigan, and continuing that area. Then it moves into Canada and brings even heavier snow into Canada. And then after all that, we get a break. Now, I said a lot of things there, so I'm going to recap everything I just said in this whole video. So again, I showed you all the temperatures throughout the week, and I went to the models here. So let me recap. So we have a small band of rain starting to form here in Oklahoma and Kansas. Not severe, just some rain. And then it starts to move into the Arkansas area, bringing maybe one thunderstorm or two by Tuesday. And then by Wednesday, we get like a little break. Nothing much is happening on Wednesday, but some snowfall in some common areas. Then by Thursday, we start to see this storm system that starts to form, bringing maybe some severe storms with quite a bit lightning strikes in the southern United States. Then it starts to move into the central and northern United States. Still severe by Friday, but then by Friday evening, it starts to turn into some snow in the United States near the Wisconsin and Iowa area, bringing some snow. Then it moves into Canada. And then that's the weekend. Very calm, very sunshine weather. So sunny weather for the weekend. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Sorry it was so long. I had a lot to explain, but I wanted to give you the most detailed video possible. Please hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe for more detailed content like this. Have a great rest of your week. Stay safe, stay weather. See you in the next video. Bye.